Yo, I just found something everyone's talking about lately. What surprised me the most is how premium it feels for such an affordable price. It's the kind of product that makes you think, why didn't I get this earlier? Click the link in the description. You won't regret checking this one out.
Wait a sec, before you scroll, check this out.
If you're wondering whether it's worth it, yes, it absolutely is. So many users have given it 5 stars, and after testing it, I see why. Seriously, don't miss it. Click the link in the description and thank me later. Okay, not gonna lie, this one's kinda crazy good. So many people are talking about it because it actually delivers. Smooth performance, solid design, and it's super easy to use. Definitely worth checking out. Check it out through the link below. You'll see exactly why it's so popular. Yo, I just found something everyone's talking about lately. I wasn't sure at first, but after Yo, I just found something everyone's talking about lately. What surprised me the most is how